We've all had those moments. Editing mistakes we'd rather forget. So let's share the best or worst of them. Mistake number 1. Not saving often. Autosave exists, but so does heartbreak. Save your work. Use shortcut Control S every 5 minutes. It will save your hours of work. Mistake number 2. Doing too much. Just because you can use 20 effects doesn't mean you should. Less is more. Stick to a cohesive style. Choose 1 to 2 effects that enhance your story, not distract from it. Mistake number 3. No version control. Always save different versions of your edits. You'll thank yourself when clients inevitably want to go back to the first version. Label versions clearly, for example, Project V1, V2, Final V3. Mistake number 4. Skipping the final check. Rushing to export without reviewing is a recipe for disaster. Always double-check before sending project to client. Watch your edit from start to finish before exporting. Mistake number 5. Mismatched audio and visuals. Your audio should always match the energy and tone of the visuals. If they don't sync up, it's jarring. Choose music that enhances the mood and pacing of your video. With the right mindset and a few tricks, even the wildest client requests can be handled. What's the wildest feedback you've received? Let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.